were very curious, ma'am. How come the name of your massage and spa is Iya?
Because of my daughter. She's my inspiration kung unsa ang mga naanak ko karon because tungod niya.
Sana all my inspiration, guys. Ako walang inspiration, expired na, di ba, Ma'am Princel? Good morning mga ka-mindset! We have another relaxing vlog for today. Nababasa nyo sa title natin, we have here sa IAH Massage Spa. So you will get to know what are the services that they offer and saan po sila located in a bit. I'm pretty sure that you are very excited. Welcome back to my channel. Ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara, let's! Good morning mga ka-mindset! And of course, again sa sinasabi ko kanina, we will get to know more about IAH Massage Spa. Of course, with the help of the pinaka-sexy and maganda ang kabogable, the owner, one and only, Ma'am Jerry! Ayun. And also, of course, guys, with the help also of yung receptionist nila, Prince and Prinzel. So, kumusta naman po kayo both, Ma'am Jerry and Prinzel?
So far, okay.
Yun.
So far, bago na siya, nanay may mga clients, mga guests, nga, magpamassage dere.
Right, it's good to know, no? And yes, by the way, they actually just opened recently. They'll be going 1 week older already. And yes, and congratulations, ma'am. Alright, very successful. It was a very successful grand opening. They opened just recently, nung Friday, guys. And how was it, ma'am? For how many days? Marami nang pupunta dito.
Yes, so far. Mostly, mga nagstay sa hotel, sa condominium.
Yun.
We cater also home service, condo service. Yes, also direct pwede ra kayo.
So you also accept walk-ins?
Walk-in, yes.
Alright, pwede din. Alright. So guys, please take note, they also accept walk-ins, home service. That's the services that they actually offer. And we were very curious, ma'am. How come the name of your massage and spa is Iya?
Because of my daughter. She's my inspiration kung sa mga naanak ko karon because tungod niya.
Sana all my inspiration, guys. Ako walang inspiration, expired na, di ba, Ma'am Princel? Ma'am Princel, are you available? Yung mga viewers natin, nagtatanong.
Sometimes.
So, ka-mindset, guys. 30%. Ayun, di ba? Maganda din, guys, yung receptionist nila. So, guys, if you'd like to know more and if you would like to inquire, they're actually open. What time do you open, Princess?
Our operating hours are 10 a.m. until 12 in the midnight. And you can also check our Facebook page. That's IAH Massage Spa.
Right, yes, IAH Massage Spa. I'll be putting the Facebook page link below the description box. So please do not forget to like and follow. And what services do you offer, ma'am, here?
We offer Swedish massage, Thai massage, and prenatal massage, kiddie massage, whole body and foot massage.
We have also traditional hilot massage with ventosa and also hot stone.
Wow. Super ganda ng hot stone.
So very
guys,
relaxing kayo.
Correct. So you guys, if you wasn't able to experience that about the ventosa and actually nagpapalabas ng impurities, guys, may ginagawa siyang process, guys, correct process on how to do it because you also need not to worry because all of their therapists dito are licensed, correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Right. So currently, how many massage therapists do you have?
6 persons.
6 persons.
Yeah. All my therapists are all vaccinated, fully vaccinated.
Plus licensed, guys.
And Esito, they have also Esito.
Esito. Yeah. Very good. That's good to know, right? So actually, guys, Ma'am Cherry, aside from the IAH Massage and Spa, she actually offers also condo. So if you'd like to know more about that, it's a perfect business, guys. May condo. At the same time, you don't need to look for another massage IAH Spa kasi andito na si ma'am. Correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir. You can also relax while in the condo. You can get rid of your stress. And we have also promo. If you want to stay in the condominium, we have promo that 2-person free 1-hour massage.
So yun, narinig nyo na mga services nila guys that they offer. Please do not forget to again like and follow. And yes, and I'm pretty sure that you would like to inquire now. They are actually available those times. Please do not forget. So Ma'am Cherry, please do invite our viewers.
We are inviting you all, the viewers, to come and visit IAH Massage Spa. If you are looking for a place to unwind, rejuvenate your body, soul, and mind, then this is the perfect place for you.
We are located in Club Ultima Condominium, Tower 3, here in Cebu City, Puente Usmeña.
So guys, actually this IAH Massage Spa is named after the name of anak ni Ma'am Cherry, no? So we have IAH. Ayun. Sobrang sexy ni IAH guys. So, hello IAH, how old are you? Wow, 8. So this is your spa? Anyway, invite our viewers dito sa spa mo.
Invite sila.
Hi, please visit IAH Massage Spa.
Yay! Very good. And naman guys, ito yung pinaka-web pa dito at loli natin yun, si Dylan Gray. So, this is your first time, Dylan, to have a massage spa and be relaxed.
Yeah. But, hindi siya yung na first time, several times na may taon na mga exes na ako, may massage na ako.
Asa na ako? Lumalamlay. Alright. So, what is your first impression here in IAH Massage Spa?
Pagsulod pa lang ni mo daan kay may refreshing yun siya, makawala siya. Murag, kanami itong, diba, gikan ka sa kanang mga habol, kita mga vloggers, grabe kita mga
Correct.
Yan kita ko, diba? Ako talaga parang kag ma-relax, murag.
Correct.
Murag mo na si therapist nga, kami na bahala ni Mr.
Right, guys, please don't forget also to like and follow Dylan. So mga mindset, we're actually here po sa VIP or exclusive room. If you want to have of course, privacy, yung mga couples, or even VIP na person, no? So we actually have a VIP room. Nasa 7th floor po siya, guys. So, no? We're going to see, of course, yeah, masahista. It's actually, we have a television or screen, yeah, and fully air conditioned, guys. Right, so we do have chandelier. Okay, so we have, ito guys, oh, kilala nyo to guys. Ayun.
Hi guys! Welcome to IAH.
IAH Massage Spa.
IAH Massage Spa.
Yeah, right. So, kumusta na yung massage? How?
Very relaxing.
Very relaxing. Dylan! Alright guys, so for more information, you can actually please like and follow. For more information, IAH Massage Spa.
So guys, don't forget to like and follow
GMT Mindset.